Itong bullish consolidation pattern na to, or commonly known as bull flag, can send Bitcoin to $75,000 area kapag ka nag-breakout siya to the upside. So tignan nyo, susukatin natin itong pole ng flag. Pag nilipat mo dyan sa breakout area, let's say dyan magbe-break, most likely tatamaan mo itong resistance na $75,000. Yan yung previous swing high. Alright. Ngayon, kung tatagal ito, meron tong bearish side. Bakit? Dahil magiging Bart Simpson yan kapag humaba tong consolidation. So we want to see Bitcoin break to the upside maybe tonight or tomorrow or over the weekend. Pag masyado siyang mahaba, baka bumalik kasi dito sa 68,700 area. Magiging Bart Simpson siya. How are we going to play this if you're using our TPI trading system? Kailangan lang po ay mag-antay. Kailangan lang natin antayin yung tinatawag na buy the dip setup kasi wala pa siya ngayon dito. Meron na tayong maliit na green cloud pero wala pang green dot and long green candle. At meron lang katatapos, pag bumaba ka sa 1 hour time frame, meron lang siyang katatapos na buy the dip setup sa 1 hour. So right now, wait and see.